There are compartments for 3 batteries. At the moment there's only one installed. In the lid there is a place for the microphone and the microphone stand. The microphone plugs in using a standard XLR connector. Below the microphone connector is a USB thumb drive. The logger is mainly controlled by 5 buttons on the top of the logger. To switch on the logger, simply press the on button. It takes a few seconds for it to start up. You can see the battery is not particularly full. Now we come to a point where we have to select which type of data file, statistical or time history. Here we go for statistical. Here we have the opportunity to check the time and the date, make sure that's right. In this case it's okay, so I'll push the escape button. .946 meg free on our thumb drive. Now the unit is logging the noise levels. The number in the top left corner in the 60 area is registering the voice levels of this recording. Battery level in the top right corner, and giving us a real-time indication of noise levels, LEQ10s, how much we've been logging for. At the moment it's clicked over for the first 5-minute period. On the end of the module there is a fuse, the power input cable, a connector for an AC output. There is a switch which controls the gain for the AC output, and there's a black knob there that controls the contrast on the LCD display. Unpacking the microphone is done by undoing the little clips. The microphone comes out and straightens out. The mask is inserted in to the externally mounted pipe and secured in place by the little bungee cord. The microphone cable exits from the case and is held securely in position by the clamp. Okay. Cable, once secure, the case can be closed. The case stands in the normal vertical position, held stable by additional feet The batteries being located at the bottom of the case also assist in the stability of the unit. The case can be made secure by a padlock in the usual way. Shutting down of the logger is achieved by pushing the escape button. You have a choice of either going into a calibration mode and adjusting the field calibration, or turning it off. The unit's now been switched off. Packing up the unit. Release the cable. Fold up the stand. Okay, now comes the trickiest part of the whole operation, is putting it all away. We put the little stand pieces in first. The microphone and the holding clip. Bundle up the cable. And close the case. Downloading the logger once you get it back, unplugging the thumb drive, and then plugging it into your computer.